Today we're gonna see how to set up Xuanpad Projector. Firstly, plug the power cable into the projector and connect the other end of the power cable into a power outlet. Place the projector on a flat surface or mount it on a tripod, ceiling mount, or any other surface that will provide a stable setup. Use the focus knob to adjust the image clarity and ensure the projector is aligned properly to get the best display on the wall screen. You can connect a video source such as laptop, DVD player, gaming console, or streaming service. Use HDMI, Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, or USB. Press the power button on the projector or use a remote control to turn the projector on. Once the projector is on, use the remote control on or the buttons on the projector to select the input source. Adjust brightness, contrast, aspect ratio, and sound settings. If using Wi-Fi, you may need to navigate to the network settings and connect your Wi-Fi network by selecting it and entering the password. Once the projector is set up and your video source is connected, you should see the display projected onto the screen or wall. Adjust the projector settings for optimal picture quality. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.